So I'm back in the studio. I was away in Copenhagen for Copenhagen Fashion Week, which is amazing. So the first thing I'm doing today is there is the Trinity Fashion Show at the end of the week, which I think I did a video about last year, but I'll do a video this year as well. So I'm giving a good few outfits to that. So we've got to get them packed up and ready for collection. They're getting collected in around an hour's time, so we have to do that quickly. So I'll show you what I am packing up. So yeah, I'll show you anyway. Okay, so the fashion show is like seasonal, and there's going to be like the 4 seasons, and I'm giving looks for winter, summer and spring, I think. So this is one, I think I need one winter look. So this is it. It's the screen printed jeans that I had in Copenhagen. I had to like quickly wash everything when I came home, but yeah, we've got those. And then we have the coat to go with that look, and we have that bag, so that is going to be the first look. So next outfit is summer as well. I'm doing this top and then layering this top over, star bag and long skirt. So next is a spring look. We've got this bag with this dress, and the dress has all this bow tie detail. You might remember me making that last year. So let's get this one. Okay, here's another spring look. So I have, let me just move these out of the way. So I have this sheer dress that I made last year, and it can either be one sheer or we can kind of layer it with this t-shirt under. And then this bag from an upcoming collection. Okay, so I've sent everything off to Trinity. That was the other day, and the show is actually tonight, so I will show you when I go to that later on. This week has been a lot of catching up on emails, trying to get on top of things since being away and ignoring emails while I was away. Yeah, so I feel like I haven't really started creating this year yet, and it's already February, so I need to just make some space just to be in the studio, because I feel like I'm just everywhere anyway. Doesn't matter. So yeah, we're going to the fashion show tonight. Today I have a stylist coming to collect something for a shoot, so to get that ready, and then I would like to try and make something, but we'll see how I am time wise. But yeah, I thought I'd check in now, and then so that if the next footage you see is the fashion show, you know that that's what's going on. I also have the kettle on in the background if it's quite noisy. But I have 6 or 7 outfits in the fashion show, so that would be really nice to see. It kind of goes from spring, summer, autumn, winter, so like a flow of the seasons. Yeah, anyway, we'll catch back up in a bit. So here's some behind the scenes of, this is when everyone had hair and makeup done and everyone was styled and ready for the show. So I just got to get a video of everyone walking and kind of seeing the way everything was styled. This was all done by Trinity Fashion Society. So they did all the makeup and they styled each outfit, and I think they did a really amazing job. And you can see some of the outfits I was showing you earlier in the video, and how they look all together. Also, you might recognise this jacket was the one that I made to bring to Copenhagen, and I think I had that bag with me too, so that's really fun to have that included in the fashion show. It's really lovely to see everything styled as well, because I think when I'm just working on stuff in the studio, I don't necessarily I can visualize how I think it's going to be all styled together, but it's lovely to see all of the outfits together and how the different prints work with like the patchwork. So it was really nice to see like a full collection styled. And then I did my best to record a good bit of the show. I didn't get everything though, because I was enjoying watching it. Yeah, here is some of the show. So that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. It was so nice to be part of the Trinity Fashion Show, and the exam hall where the fashion show was held was so beautiful. As a location, it was just amazing. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, it'd be great if you could subscribe, give this video a like, and I will be back again next week with another studio vlog. So thanks for watching. Okay, bye.